Wow. Hello, everyone. Happy New Month, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayodele D. Kazum, your host on this channel. Okay, thank you for staying with me so far on this channel. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for enjoying the content bringing on the way. Thank you very much. For today, we're looking at an important topic which says, what is next? The question is, what is next about what? Then I put it to you about your next phase of life. About your next phase of life. What is next? All right. Now, as a student, I just finished secondary school. What is next for me? About my next phase of life. I just graduated from university, from polytechnic, from colleges of education. What is next about my next phase of life? It's an important question that must be answered. You know, a wise man said, hey, somebody that asks for a direction of the road, you cannot miss road. It's not possible. Okay? When you ask question, you get an answer. So the first point we'll be discussing today will be point number 1, ask question. Ask direction. Then the next question is from whom? Number 1 thing you need to ask from God. You're a Christian, you're a Muslim, you need to ask God for direction. This is the next phase of my life. I've not been there before. God, I need your leadings. I need your directives. I need to know which way to go. It's the next phase of my life. Of course, you can ask people that have gone there ahead of you. Yes, it's not bad. It's not bad. Now, the next point we'll be discussing on this piece of information that is so vital is secondary school student, you are going to university, right? What course are you going for? Have you asked yourself that question? What course are you going for? Yes, my friends in secondary school, all of us say, I want to go for medicine, fine. An engineering course, fine. Pharmacy is fine. Political science, fine. But the question is, that course you are going for, that course you want to go and study, how relevant is the course? How relevant is the course? How profitable is that course? What's the market value of that course now? Okay, is it a trending course? Okay, when I finish as a graduate on that course, is there any job opportunity waiting for me? These are the questions you need to ask before you select a particular course. Okay, and as a graduate, I've studied a course that is not that relevant, for instance. Hope is not lost for you. Okay, you still have hope. You still have hope, and that's why we'll be looking at the next point. The next point is investment. Investment. Time investment. You need to invest your time. Invest in value added course. Invest in learning. Invest in acquiring knowledge. Invest in personal growth. Invest in personal development. You need to develop yourself. Hey, secondary school students, university students, it is not a time to wait. Because if you wait, you waste. Beware of time waster. Okay, what do you need to? Okay, you have a window of 1 month or 2 months. You're waiting for service. You're waiting for admission. You don't need to start partying. No. Start watching movie or start just chatting, TikToking, Facebooking. No, you are wasting your time. Okay, use this window, use this opportunity, a vacuum in your life to prepare for the next phase of your life by investing in acquiring quality knowledge, by investing your time in learning, investing your time in personal growth, personal development, mental development. Acquiring knowledge, that's what this generation needs. All right, a graduate of university, for instance, let's take for computer science, for instance. You have finished. Congratulations to you. You have 2-1. Congratulations to you. You have theoretical knowledge. Are you prepared for the next phase of your life? For the next job you want to get? Are you prepared for it? Congratulations to people that are prepared for it, that have a practical knowledge. But some is only theoretical knowledge. They cannot repair computer. They cannot handle this thing. And you say you are expecting a job in this world we are today. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You have to invest time. That's why there's need for you to be trained. That's my next point. Training is very important. You have to go and be trained. Go for training. If you need to pay online, please do that. If you need to pay offline, go to people that know about it. Learn, train, and retrain. All right. The world we are in today need an individual, need everyone to get what is called handwork. Hey, handwork is very, very key. Okay, learn handwork. Okay, as a girl, what can I do? I don't like all this men work, computer. I don't like editing videos. I don't like carrying camera about. Fine, you can go for fashion. Yeah, you can go for makeup. Yeah, hairdressers like that. There are many. Just research. You will see what you can do. Let me tell you a secret. Your father is very rich, fine. He can pay your school fees. He can pay your bill, fine. But guy, he cannot supply all your needs. Only God can supply all your needs, according to riches in glory. So you need to get something doing with your earnings before that pocket money comes. Okay, you're already feeding yourself. You're already making some money for yourself. Okay, so you don't need to wait and waste your time. Okay, you need to start adding value, start preparing, start doing things, start going for training, going online. Coursera is there. A lot of work out there. This is very, very important. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, okay, and it's you that I'm talking to, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and after that, make sure you click the notification button. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos. See you in my next video. Thank you.